Because it's the first weekend of summer, and now is a great time to score some amazing deals on everything you need for your outdoor entertaining. He's putting on steroids today.
Yes, here with more friend of the show, Skip Bedell, home contractor and host of Catch A.
What do you got?
You know how we do it, man. Guys, the 4th of July is right around the corner.
Go big or go home.
So it's like a one-stop shop. This is my favorite place to get all your outdoor entertaining stuff. BJ's Wholesale Club. Unbelievable. Let me show you some of this. So this is the Berkley Jensen Westland high dining set. Have a seat at this. This has a built-in fire feature, propane, right in the middle of the table, right? What's cool about it is that it has 6 swivel chairs. So a lot of sets just have like 2 on either end and then 4 regular chairs. You get 6 swivel chairs with this. Super comfortable, right? You get the built-in fire feature right in the middle of the table with the propane.
Some s'mores.
Yeah, the whole thing.
S'mores.
So check this out. This whole set, just you see it, only $6.99 right now at BJ's.
Wow, that's a
They
great
have
deal.
everything that you need. You can even get the food for your barbecue there. It's like everything under one roof. I love it.
I feel like I'm on vacation.
Let me show you the Tiki Torches. Come on, check these
Does
out.
feel like
So
vacation.
Tiki
It does,
Brand
right?
torches.
Love it.
So we all know about Tiki Torches, but this is something different. This is a whole new world. This is Tiki Brand torches. Look how beautiful these are. So these are different color glasses. They have tons of styles and different models, right? But the best part about it is these new ones now have adjustable flames. So you can set the amount of light you have. You really set the ambiance in your yard. It sets a beautiful mood for your party, right?
Yeah.
So these same torches that you see, you can either put them on poles or tabletop version, which is awesome. And they got this Bite Fighter, Tiki Brand Bite Fighter as proven mosquito repellency. So you put this in here, it keeps all the mosquitoes away.
Bugs away.
Yeah, because
like
you know when
that.
you're sitting outside, you're having a great time, but you're getting eaten alive.
That ruins the whole thing.
This is what you need. You need a Tiki Brand Bite Fighter. Unbelievable. I love this because they have so many different styles to choose from. It's not like the old school bamboo torches anymore.
Yeah, you didn't want to buy them because you know what you're
You
getting.
can take this, you can do a tabletop, or you can put them up on the pole and you put them all over your yard and they look beautiful.
What about the ambiance of this?
So I want to show you. This is unbelievable. This is a matrix decor screen and wall art. So this is great to like decorate your yard, your fence, any blank wall. They come in all different styles. They're made out of 100% recycled plastic. You can hang them on your fence and you're basically dressing up the whole yard. Because when you entertain, it's like bringing the inside outside, right? You want to bring like your living room outdoors. So now you have art and you kind of fill in that blank space on your wall or fence and it really dresses up the whole place. Between the panels and the torches and the furniture, you're like ready to entertain.
Yeah, you gotta make it feel homey outside.
Yeah. It feels warm, right? It feels cozy out here.
Yeah.
So these are all great ways to get the party started. And all right now, you can find all this stuff on my site. Awesome products.
Which is skipbedell.com.
Skipbedell.com. Always, of
If you
course.
get that wrong, we're not trying.
I need to get one that says Yankees because we got some Astros fans out here on Fox Square, and they lost last night, but maybe they got a shot today. All right.
Thank you, Skip.